Sasha says he's gonna sell his apartment in Osijek and buy a house in Baranja. Are there any houses available? Well, it's not that easy to find a good house here in Zmajevac unless you're into renovations. There's a lot that you can buy and renovate. But yeah, I mean, that's a big part of why we're making these videos every day, is we want to show the beauty of this place through our eyes and help revitalize it and bring people back here, especially families with children. This is our dream, that there'll be lots of families with children who are showing up. And yeah, there's a lot of empty houses, a lot of empty space, but it's tricky to find one that doesn't need too much renovation. So, but look, it's beautiful. So it's not just about the wine and sausage, but it's very peaceful and beautiful and serene. And most of all, the people, the neighbors are very kind. If they can see that you're a decent person, then they're pretty accepting and they're glad to see new faces, new families, especially children. Because we have the 3 kids and we push the stroller around the neighborhood, then a lot of folks react positively to that. It makes, makes it feel like there's a future here. So please come, and at the very least, come visit. Osijek is not too far away.